not enough to feel the peace of the world that's always real. It's always bright under the moonlight, where the stars guide us through the night. Cosmic tranquility. Dream of flying with the birds so free. The river sings and the waves call to me. I hear the wolves howl beneath the sky's glow, while the butterflies dance in the meadow below. And I've been high, want to feel the earth beneath my feet and the stars above, where the galaxies meet. It's always bright in the fields of gold, where the sun warms the earth below. Endless serenity. It's alright to want to be close to all the animals and life I'm drawn to. Is it not enough to feel the peace of the world that's always real? Leave me. It's always bright under the moonlight, where the stars guide us through the night. Cosmic tranquility. Look, ow, my fingers hurt. Okay, one last one. Oh, no, that's it? Wait. Oh yeah, because I kind of deleted one of my songs by accident. Yeah, that's it, because I lost the other one.